Hey parents of teen drivers, today we're going to be talking about the best cars for teens. So I was looking around on the internet and I found this website, Digital Trends, and it looks like they have done an overview of the current best cars for teens, which, take it for a grain of salt. This is just one, particular writer's opinion, and who knows if they're getting any kind of kickbacks or anything like that from doing this edition. But the cool thing I like about it, it's from May 10th of 2020, so it looks like their information is pretty new. So according to this, the Mazda 3 is their best vehicle, and they do that off of a number of different factors with regards to price and whether or not your teen is going to like it, and they go into much more detail about how the car will work. Next, they talk about the best green car for teens. Green cars are definitely a trend, and battery powered, electric, diesel, other alternative fuels are very popular, and especially for the upcoming generations. They will want to have cars that can won't have to be as reliant on fossil fuels. So the Hyundai Ioniq is a version of this vehicle. It looks like you can get three different versions. You can get what they call a hybrid, and then a plug-in hybrid, and then also the full electric. So you want to be on the lookout for something like this, and you can get great gas mileage, potentially lowering your overall costs for owning the vehicle. Next is the best sports car for teens. This isn't one that you may want because having a sports car is not always ideal for a teen. Driving fast, the things we preach about here all the time, may not be the best, but at the same time, a lot of teens want something that's a little bit more sporty. So they go into the basic reasons of why a teen would want something like this. The best overall pickup for teens is the Toyota Tacoma, and this has been one that's been running for a long time. I recall wanting a Tacoma whenever I was a teenager. I believe they first came out around that time period. But overall, it's a good, fairly economic vehicle, reliable, and and for teens it looks good as well too. So finally, the best crossover is this Jeep Renegade. And it kind of looks funny, but at the same time it's something that a lot of teens may want. They can put their friends in it, but it's also safe and off the ground, and could be something that is a good smart play as a parent to give to their teen as a new vehicle. And then finally, the best luxury car for a teen is the Audi A3. Again, you're going into the speed and the having the more things that could go wrong, or if they damage it, different aspects of it could be harder to fix or harder to insure, more expensive to insure, that kind of thing. And it's coming in about a third higher than a lot of these other cars as well. So Digital Trends is a website that's out there that is pretty reliable. I've dealt with some of the information they put out before, and I thought it was pretty good. But this is just an overview of best cars for teens, and it was something that was written pretty recently, so I thought it might be something that's good for our group. And so please feel free to let us know if there's any cars out there that you have purchased for your teen, because I do think that it's something that other parents can help guide the way and say, hey, look, we had this vehicle for our teen, and it was wonderful and reliable and easy to insure, kept the teen safe, and various other things. So again, my name is Seth Smiley from the Smiley Law Firm, and this is another edition of Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. Thank you.